Good morning, traders. Keith Harrington II here, going over a few swing trades that I've just opened up. We're going to start with this US 500. We zoom out a bit here. As you can see, we have a resistance area that was initiated here off of this huge bearish engulfing pattern. And this resistance area has been confirmed a couple of times. We've just confirmed it again for the second time. We do have this rising wedge up into this resistance area as well, which I especially like. I did get short yesterday just before the close. Stop up above this most recent high here on this first confirmation, and I'm looking for an eventual move back down to the 3,500 area here. You can see here I have a few levels before we get to the final potential target. We have this previous swing low here off the daily, a swing low here, and this area here is actually based off of the weekly. If I go out on the weekly, you can see we have an area initiated here off of this almost bearish engulfing pattern, a dark cloud cover pattern, whatever you want to call it, and a doji right here. It's been confirmed here with this bullish engulfing pattern on the weekly. So taking us back to the daily, and this is where I get all of these levels from. I would like to see a move back down here to the 3,500s. I do believe that we may see these levels again. You know, I could be wrong, but according to what I'm seeing here on the chart, I don't think it is impossible. So I'm short US 500. We'll move over to soybean meal. The last video I did actually was this instrument, and I was actually long this instrument. I'm now taking the other side of that trade. I was long around here, if we can recall, or here, I believe. Pushed up, and then there was a shooting star pattern right here off of this broken out wedge support, now resistance. And we got another long-tailed dark cloud cover pattern here, which I entered on at the open yesterday evening. So now I'm looking for a move down here to about this weekly swing low, about 400 or so. So, I mean, it's a long ways to go, but I do think it is doable. This one, actually, I like this a lot because we've broken out of this broadening wedge pattern here. So I'm looking actually for a continuation down. First targets around here about 415 to 410 or so. And I would like to see a push down into the 400 area. So that's what I have here for this soybean meal. And finally, gasoline. We have a nice gap here, a rising window from this candle to this candle, and in between there we have a couple of initiated supports, initiated here, and it was confirmed here, and we're in this level again now. I'm looking for actually another confirmation here based off of this daily candle, but I am long gasoline now. And we do have some resistance to the upside. This is a resistance here, longer term, and then we have this weekly swing high. If I zoom out here, I'll let you see that. But once we get above this level here, then, I mean, it's pretty much free sailing up until the previous highs. But whether we get there or not is another story. So that's what I have now. I am long gasoline, I am short soybean meal, and I am also short the US 500. I hope you guys are having a good trading week. What are some of the instruments you guys are trading? I'll talk to you guys again soon, very soon. And if you like the content in this video, you can go ahead and check out a book that I've written, very basic. It's called Candlestick Trader, Trading Basics Using Reversal Candlestick Patterns. Very basic. I don't go too deep into anything really. I just give you a foundation of how I look at the market using reversal candlestick patterns, and it should help you, to build up your own trading strategy as well. So I'll talk to you guys again soon. Have a great trading week. Happy trading.